So we are looking at geometric progressions today in this video. So think about how we get from one term to the next, okay? So we should spot that the pattern is times by 3 every single time we multiply by 3. So my ratio in this question is 3, because that's what I'm multiplying by every time. So that just means if we look at 3 and 9 and 27 and 81, we should recognise they are powers of 3. So 3 is actually 3 to the power of 1, 9 is actually 3 to the power of 2, 27 is 3 to the power of 3, 81 is 3 to the power of 4, 243 is 3 to the power of 5, 729 is 3 to the power of 6. But this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number. So what we've actually got is 3 to the power of first number in the sequence, 3 to the power of second number in the sequence, 3 to the power of third number in the sequence. So our sequence can just be written as 3 to the power of n. Okay, looking at this next one, I multiply by 5 each time. So that is 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of 4, 5 to the power of 5. So that means my sequence is actually equal to 5 to the power of n, because that's the first number, so that goes to the power. My second number in the sequence, that's the power. My third number, fourth number, fifth number, so they make the powers. So that is it for that sequence. The next one, third one, is -2, 4, -8, 16, -32, 64. So we know it's going to be times in by a negative number because it's going from positive to negative to positive. -2 to 4 is times -2. So we know it's times by -2 each time. Times -2, times -2, times -2, times -2. So this is -2 to the power. So -2 is -2 to the power of 1. 4 is -2 to the power of 2. -8 is -2 to the power of 3, and so on and so on. So my sequence can actually be written as t of n is -2 to the power of n. Okay, so now let's have a look at this last one to kind of finish it off. So we think about how we get from one to the next. So we times by 20 to 200 is times by 10, 200 to 2000 times by 10, times by 10. So actually we think 10 to the power of 1 is not 20. 10 to the power of 2 is not 200. 10 to the power of 3 and 10 to the power of 4 are not the same. That's actually equal to 10, that's equal to 100, that's equal to 1000, and that's equal to 10,000. So think about how I get from 10 to 20, 100 to 200, 1000 to 2000. So I'm timesing everything by 2. So all I write this time is actually I've got 10 to the power of n, because I've timesing by 10 times by 10 times by 10, but I'm actually multiplying everything by 2, because I need to get from 10 to 20, 100 to 200, 1000 to 2000, 10,000 to 20,000. Okay.